Affiliate marketing is often presented online as a quick money hack. You may have seen videos saying, open quote, just grab a link, create a blog with Hostinger, generate content using ChatGPT, publish 10 posts a day, and start earning commissions. Close quote. Sounds easy, right? But here's the truth. This kind of advice is incomplete and often misleading. Yes, some people earn commissions this way, but that doesn't mean it's a sustainable or reliable strategy. Affiliate marketing is not about shortcuts. It's a real business model that requires understanding, strategy, and consistency. In this blog, you'll learn what affiliate marketing really is, the two main types, low ticket versus high ticket, a proven four-step method to succeed, organic versus paid traffic strategies, common mistakes beginners make. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote someone else's product or service. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. Simple. You act as a middleman or marketing partner. The best part? You don't need to create your own product, no inventory management, no customer support headaches. This is why affiliate marketing is considered one of the most scalable online businesses. Think of companies like Uber. They don't own cars, but connect drivers and passengers. Similarly, affiliate marketers connect buyers with products. Types of affiliate marketing. Low-ticket affiliate marketing. This involves promoting cheaper products, typically $10 to $100. Examples, products on Amazon, budget tools like Canva. Pros, easier to sell, large audience. Cons, low commission per sale, requires high volume. Topic 2, high-ticket affiliate marketing. This involves promoting expensive products, 100 plus to thousands. Examples, premium tools like SEMrush, luxury brands like Louis Vuitton. Pros, high commissions per sale, fewer sales needed. Cons, harder to sell, requires trust and skill. Which one should you choose? Don't chase high commissions blindly. Instead, ask yourself, do I understand this product? Can I confidently promote it? Do I know where to find customers? If the answer is no, you'll struggle, no matter how high the commission is. Golden rule. Only promote products you genuinely believe in. The four-step affiliate marketing method. Step 1, choose a niche. A niche is a specific category you focus on. Examples, fitness, weight loss, gym, yoga, technology, gadgets, AI tools, finance, investing, credit cards. How to choose. 1, pick something you're interested in. 2, make sure it's profitable. Top profitable niches, health and fitness, wealth and finance, technology, self-improvement, luxury products. Step 2, choose a product. Don't promote everything. Pick specific products within your niche. Example, if your niche is fitness, choose keto supplements. If tech, choose a specific software. To get your affiliate link, visit the company website, find the affiliate program section, apply and get approved, generate your unique link. Platforms like Flipkart or Amazon follow the same process. Step 3, get traffic, customers. You need people to click your link. There are two main ways. Organic marketing, free traffic. 1, create videos like product reviews, best products lists. Many creators earn by placing affiliate links in descriptions. 2, blogging. Write articles like best badminton rackets underfit, but blogging is time-consuming, competitive, slow to grow. 3, social media platforms like Instagram allow short content, tips, reviews, tutorials. Add your affiliate link in bio. 4, forums. Answer questions on Quora, Reddit. Provide value and include your link naturally. Paid advertising, fast but risky. You pay to bring traffic. Requirements. Product, landing page, ad form. What is a landing page? A landing page is a bridge page between your ad and product. You cannot directly run ads to affiliate links. Google ad strategy. Run ads targeting search keywords like best dog food, healthy dog food reviews. Use tools like SEMrush for keyword research. Facebook ad strategy. Instead of keywords, use interests, demographics. Run video ads and target users based on behavior. Important tip for beginners. If you're just starting, focus on YouTube plus organic content. Why? Free traffic builds trust, long-term growth. Paid ads require budget, testing, experience. Common mistakes to avoid. Promoting random products, chasing high commissions only, not understanding your audience, expecting quick results, copy-pasting links without strategy. Final thoughts: affiliate marketing is not a shortcut, it's a skill. Yes, it can scale to massive income levels, but only if you choose the right niche, promote the right products, learn how to attract customers. There is no magic trick. You must test, learn, and improve continuously. Conclusion: affiliate marketing gives you the opportunity to build a real online business from scratch. Start simple. Pick a niche, choose one product, create helpful content, stay consistent. If you do this correctly, you can turn affiliate marketing into a long-term income stream. If you want